Hey everybody!
RoboBust.
Roadwarriormax, you're in the castle. Got a new video.
Collector's Castle. We have
Stridor.
the big one. This is
Origins.
one of the big ones that I like. We have Stridor.
Yeah, this came out and new for 2022. One of the vehicles that they made for Origin figures, which is pretty cool. Looks like it connects to the castle that we gotta get yet.
One of my favorite details about this is the art. I love this art. We have Skeletor riding to go get He-Man, and we actually have
Fisto.
Fisto.
We have him.
He's on the package,
yep.
And I'm pretty sure Fisto goes with this guy because Fisto rides him a lot.
Right.
Is it a boy or a girl? This guy?
It must be a guy. Stridor, I bet.
That's a guy name.
Yep.
Anyways, we have now something that the Mattel do is they have like hidden pictures.
Oh, they do hidden guys.
I think this is Sunman.
I'm not sure on that.
My dad actually ordered.
Right, we're gonna get Sunman.
We have Sunman.
Yeah, look at this. The guy right there looks kind of. I'm not sure. I don't think it is because he's got wings, but I'm not sure. But they always stick in like a little hidden Easter egg kind of guy.
Yeah.
That maybe they'll put out, or maybe that's somebody else that we don't know. You know, because there's a lot of characters. Remember, Classics made a lot, so maybe that's already a guy. I'm not sure.
Maybe that's a guy from Classics.
Right. Or
anyways, we have the side.
Turn it around, and we already.
Side.
We're gonna show the side.
We have the side. We have the other side.
Has the little demon dragon guys on it.
And we have the back. I'm gonna get up and show the details of the back. On the back, we have Stridor, and we have Castle Grayskull. We have this bird thingy. We have they kind of bug us. Like you would think they're gonna make one of these, but they probably don't. Anyways, we have the characters. We have how he was a figure. We have how it works. This actually clips onto Castle Grayskull that we don't have. We do not have the Origins Castle Grayskull yet.
Not yet.
It has a fence. It has like a different helmet. It has pictures. It has these pictures. We have her. We actually have almost all of these. We have these guys. We're missing these three.
Right, we're getting quite a few now, hey?
This wave.
And let's see if we could
open it.
Open it up and see what it looks like
inside.
Right.
I'm so excited. I wonder if it comes with a comic. Maybe.
Well, I don't know if the vehicles do. Oh, sugar. That didn't sound good, did it?
Sounds like someone's cat scratching a table.
I'm going to do an unboxing here.
Oh, I love this background. I love the blue.
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Oh no, there's so much tape.
Yeah, we'll have to get the razor out.
He's huge.
Yeah, I've been waiting for him for a while to pick him up.
Oh, this guy is big. We have, well, I can't. We gotta open this guy. We got the carpet knife, and we're just gonna snip this guy open.
Oh, jeez. Almost got RoboBust. Injured opening toys. That would be something, huh?
Something on TV.
That's how you get a lot of views.
Seeing RoboBust heads cut open.
Will not be good.
Not scare me. It's loud.
Yeah, I'm sure. Ooh. Man, they put them in there, don't they?
Yeah. They want to make sure this thing is not coming out. Maybe they have them under. Oh, this is a pain.
He's almost out. This is one of the drawbacks of that is.
Oh, that's cool.
Right.
Oh, we can't do that. No, it'll be fine. Because he doesn't have arms. So let's take this off.
Oh, and he's like.
Look at this guy.
The vintage one didn't really move much, did it?
No, this one moves.
He's got a base.
Look at that. His helmet comes off.
Let's go there.
Look at that. That is beautiful. We have the helmet. We have him finally. He's tied on. Gotta get the strings and whatever. You could, like, if you have a character that doesn't have a weapon, you put him in here and he can like hold on. That that is so cool. It's kind of like the what was that thing called we got with Hitman? The thing that goes under here and you can fly. It flies.
Oh, yep.
That's
The Wind Raider.
Wind Raider.
You gotta get that one yet. Yeah, it's cool.
This is
cool. Oh, and it has that too. Or yeah, the.
Yeah. It has another helmet. It has like a armored helmet. I'm gonna put that on.
I forget what that vehicle is called.
Wind Raider?
The Ram thing.
Oh.
I have the box for the vintage one somewhere.
Yeah, it comes with the stands. Are nice.
Look at that. He has like a horn. You can put him on here and cool. It comes with a helmet and everything.
Man, these guns do not want to come out.
It comes with one.
Yeah.
I didn't know
Oh,
that.
there's one.
We got a gun.
They're in
Put
there.
that in there. He's struggling.
Oh, they got the blasters too.
How do you put these things in?
Not want to come over. Oh, there they are.
Well, I don't know how to get this in.
Hang on.
Leave it up to my. Leave it up
What are you trying to do?
Put these guns in.
Oh,
Whoa, that is so cool. He's like shooting blasters.
I think
Yeah,
it goes,
I'll
it goes
put
like
these
this,
on.
eh?
Look at that. I drop stuff a lot. Look at those. Put them in there. He's shooting.
I don't know. They don't. You're right. They don't want to go in, do they? That way, the other way. It must be that way. Cool. Oh, it looks there. The bigger one end goes in. See?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it looks like the smaller.
Oops. Oops is right. This guy is.
Jeez, oh Pete. Looks like it might be a little easier to put them on before you put.
Did you got pop?
Yep, the old plastic pop.
We got
There
this
they
one.
are.
Yeah, I can see how this connects. I can see how that connects. You got it?
Yep.
What?
You put it on there?
Stand, yeah.
Is that how it goes? Ooh.
He's like,
Now
now.
you can get him like with his legs up in the air.
That doesn't really work. Put his
These
legs.
move? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look, he's like half robot, half horse.
Okay, so let's put these guns on. These will look cool.
Can I help you?
Yeah. This. You gotta put them, pop them in.
Oh, weird. Right?
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Open one in the back too, I think.
Like Castle Grayskull is getting attacked, and
Stridor's coming
Strider's-
along with.
it's mad.
So,
He's jumping. He's jumping.
Yep.
Trying to jump
Jumping
out of
over
his
his
cage. Fence.
fence. Stridor looks good on him because he's got the sword, big fist. And he came with a couple of helmets. Looks like.
He came with a warrior helmet, and he came with just a regular,
Oh, yeah.
everyday helmet.
Looks like it connects to the castle. We gotta get the castle so we can connect them.
You mean Castle Grayskull? Yeah, never mind. Oh, he does not want to. Okay, there we go. Let me see what that looks like. Oh, that looks so cool. Look at that. We have him right here. He is like mad. You can put these as like right here, and he can hang on to them. Put those in there. He's hanging on to them, and he's like moving around. That's cool.
Oh, very good, RoboBust.
We have the
Yeah.
helmet. That looks cool. That's really
Yeah, it's
cool.
yep.
Put those in there. Now it looks like he's holding on and going into battle. We have a fence.
I wonder if they're gonna make the bad guy Skeletor's horse. I forget the name of that one.
Oh, yeah. That
The purple one.
Purple one. I'll grab the original old one. And then
Yep, RoboBust is gonna grab. Maybe I'll pan over here real quick.
Here, I'll go.
Show our
Where is
vintage. He is way over by Eternia.
Turn here. Oh, I see.
You got the book.
Just slide over here.
There's where Coley made it, or RoboBust made his little walk-in thing between the tables that he was talking about in one of the videos.
Ugh, I gotta get him. What if she comes with some
And there's the
blasters?
vintage, and mine's broke.
What?
See the back of it's broke. Put it over here.
Yeah.
I got him off eBay. I think he just came with it all in a lot. So I gotta update my vintage one because the vintage one's broke. Man, a lot bigger.
A lot.
The Origin one is beefier.
And better, I think,
Yeah,
in my opinion.
Definitely.
But, you know, I still like this one. Here, I'll grab this guy. What's his name?
A RoboBust is gonna grab the vintage Fisto.
He doesn't have a sword.
No, I'm missing his sword. He's riding on.
Okay. I got Fisto. There has some parents. Put it in here. These are so hard to get in.
Yeah, there you go.
Look at that. Comparants. No, I bet I could put that on here. Oh, look at that.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm missing that part on mine too. But that one goes on there good. Good job, RoboBust. Put the other helmet.
You know,
works for the vintage one.
We get to save and we can put that right
nice.
there. That works.
You're right.
Now we don't need it. That looks, this one, I think this one looks better.
Yeah, they do a good job with the Origins.
It's got like this water. Is this like a blaster or some water?
It must be some, right? I don't know. It's like blast, I guess.
Like, maybe it's like a
laser blast.
Laser blast.
Pew, pew.
I really like this. I like it because they have these fence. It connects to Castle Grayskull.
Yeah, I like how they do that.
Unlike this one, I like both of them, but I think this one's more colorful, like in a way. Blue, we got some brown, we got some green, we got some red, you know, orange. Something that this didn't have is this.
Yeah, he's got the little ropes to hang on.
So you can hang on.
That's
like
really
a real
cool detail.
horse. Yeah, I like that. No, if you don't have like a figure, an origin figure that has no weapons, you know, you can get him and you can put that here.
Nice. Okay, guys, in the collector's cast, I think we're gonna wrap it up. For now, we just showed our quick new figures that we got.
Yeah.
And I think our next video we're gonna do like a 360 room tour, so everybody can look at the room so far and see how far and what we've accomplished so far.
It's gonna be like 16 minutes with like 4
We're gonna try, but
we'll try.
okay, in the collector's castle. Until next time.